Right, as you can see, heads off. Look at the top of the pistons. So you can see all that. So we'll do that. The head. The difference in colours. Look at all the crap on them, and oil, everything everywhere. Yeah. So one side being richer than the other side. Alright. All the head bolts are there, all the head nuts are there, but they didn't have all these on everything. These are the washers you need to put on. They were missing. Yeah. Alright, I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 washers, and that's it. That's my lot. 5 washers out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 7 missing. So whoever put this engine together before, I've done it before. Okay. So up to now. We need a lot of work. Right. Another little bit of message for me. Alright. Can't see anything wrong with the bores except for we'll check them out in a bit anyway, because I'm going to take the top off. Okay. Oh, here we go. One more scan. Yeah, got all the oils on them. Right.